Hey friends, Caleb here with Prima Coffee. Today we're taking a look at Urnex's 1-2 cold brew. It's a simple solution to cleaning cold brew brewers and cold brew tap systems. It's a two-part process. There is the clearly cold cleaning solution detergent and then the complete cafe sanitizer. As you know, coffee oils can build up in brewers, causing off flavors to go into your next batch. They can also trap bacteria behind them, so it's both an issue of flavor and safety. So here to save the day is the 1-2 cold brew solution from Urnex. So what you do is you start with the clearly cold solution. You mix this into your 5-gallon bucket. You do 30 milliliters of the solution to 4 gallons of water. You let that sit for up to 15 minutes, and then you drain it thoroughly and rinse it just with regular clean water. Okay, so once we finish the clearly cold solution, we'll move on to the sanitizer, the Complete Cafe. What you're going to do is mix 30 milliliters of the Complete Cafe with 4 gallons of water inside your brewer. You're gonna let that sit for about a minute, and then you're gonna dump it out and then just let it air dry. So it's not something that you rinse out because it's gonna keep sanitizing it after it's dumped out. So then you just let that air dry and you're ready to go again. So it's a very simple process. One part clearly cold and one part Complete Cafe. So yeah, that is the Urnex 1-2 cold brew cleaning and sanitizing kit. Thanks for watching.